How to delete the Roblox t-shirts that you made. Hey guys, let's get started. If you have created some of the t-shirts that you do not need or want to delete it right now, the steps are quite simple. First of all, open your Roblox application and then log in. Now go to the three dots on the bottom right and tap on inventory. Once you tap on inventory, it will take you to another page. Now from here, you're supposed to select the category and subcategory. Make sure to click on classic clothing and from the subcategory, choose on classic t-shirts. After that, click on the t-shirt that you have created and it will take you to another page. From there, you'll have to now tap on these three dots and then you will see the option of delete. However, you'll only see it if you have created the t-shirt. And there you go. Just by that, you have deleted the t-shirts. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.